Welcome back. This is lesson 13. This is the last lesson of module 5. Think about how far you have come. In module 5 alone, you have created your profile picture, you have switched to a professional account, and you have picked your brand colors and fonts. Now, let's bring it all together with your brand package. So, what is a brand package? You can think of it like a cheat sheet for Instagram. It has all the important things you have learned in this course, all in one place. Your brand package includes your niche, what you sell, your audience, so who you sell to, your content pillars, which is what you post about, your bio, and your brand style, which is your colors and fonts. All of this in one place. That's your brand package. So, why do you need this? Because it helps you stay organized. Like this, you're not going to think what to post or what to say because it's all written down. It's also very consistent, and I find it that is very fast because you'll save a lot of time creating posts and reels, stories, everything you need to, because you don't have to think about the basics anymore. Everything is decided. When your brand is organized, consistent, and fast, it looks clear and professional. You have one message, and people start to trust you, and when they trust you, they start to buy from you. Now, here's the good news. I have made this super easy for you. I have created a tool called the Brand Package Creator GPT. It will create your brand package for you in minutes. So, here's how to use it. Click the GPT link in the video description. Step 2, answer the simple questions. But don't worry, you already know all the answers because you have been learning them throughout this course. Step 3, let the GPT create your brand package. Step 4, copy it and save it inside your workbook. And that's it. 4 simple steps. And now you have your brand package. Here's why this is so important. You're going to use this brand package in the upcoming modules. When you create highlights, when you create stories, when you create reels, and more. Everything will be faster and easier because your brand package has all the information you need right there, ready to use. And that's it for lesson 13. And that means you have completed module 5. Congratulations. Now, let's look at what you have accomplished in module 5. In lesson 10, you created your profile picture. In lesson 11, you switched to creator or business account. In lesson 12, you picked your brand colors and font. And in this lesson 13, you created your brand package. Now your Instagram looks professional and feels authentic. That was the goal of module 5, and you did it. Now, your homework. Create your brand package using the GPT link in the description. Do it now while everything is fresh. It's gonna be easier. And get ready for module 6. In module 6, you'll learn how to create Instagram highlights. Highlights that sell for you 24/7, even while you sleep. You'll also learn how to make highlights that attract followers, tell your story, and make sales anytime. See you in module 6.